Greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty, Haile Selassie the First. This is General Saiva Baro with a message that cuts deep. Many are not gonna like what I got to say, but the truth must be said. Emperor Haile Selassie the First warned us about the dangers of not having a disciplined mind. The Emperor said, the discipline of the mind is a basic ingredient of genuine morality, therefore spiritual strength. Now, if we don't have a disciplined mind, that's why we see men, women that are led by the emotions, they are led by the feelings. If their feelings get hurt, like if a man's feelings get hurt, he lash out in anger. That's why you see a lot of angry birds. They need weed, alcohol, cocaine to not get angry so quickly. But that's actually destructive. It destroys your brain and it gives you, it makes you look weak. Any man that is led by his emotions, that can't control his emotions, is an excuse of a man. Because what kind of example are you setting to the kids? What kind of example are you setting to your daughter and unto your son? That it's okay if things don't go your way, that you must lash out. That's why our young kids are dying on the street because they are led by the emotions, because they follow OGs. What the fuck can OD? What the fuck can OG teach you? To lash out, to be streetwise. Yeah, being streetwise is good, but can it teach you how to control your ideas, your mind, how to not be, how to not let your mind and your emotions become like a ship without a rudder, a ship without a captain that is tossed to and fro by the waves of the trials and tribulations that comes your way. So the challenge to all men that call themselves men, lead by example. And if you can't do that, then just take off the mask of a man and admit it. Admit you're a little boy that needs help. If you can't do that, you're just leading the younger generation that are looking up to you into a pit of yeah, endless destruction. So that's the mission. We should discipline our mind and we should be true to what we believe. General Saiva Barrow, out and about. Tell me what you think. If you don't want to, it's also cool. His Imperial Majesty, Haile Selassie the First.